Good morning, students. Yes, in the previous lecture we discussed about the addition of rational number. Now today we describe the subtraction of rational number. See how to subtract now one rational number from another rational number. 7 by 8 from 5 by 12. There is subtraction of rational number. There are some questions related to subtraction. Now see how to solve it. First our example is 7 by 8 from 5 by 12. One thing, see how to write down it properly. It means we write down that 5 by 12 minus 7 by 8. Rational number, after from, firstly we write down, then take the negative sign and then this one rational number. Now solve it. 12 8. Take the LCM. Both denominator are different. So we take the LCM. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4. Then what is the LCM? 3 2 are 6, 2 are 12, 2 are 24. Now solve it. 12 2 are 24. Then 5 multiply by 2. Minus 8 3 are 24, it means 7 multiply by 3. Then it becomes 5 2 are 10 minus 21 divided by 24. See again here, this is plus minus, obviously minus. Which number is greater, negative or positive? Negative number, it means our answer will come in negative. So plus minus minus do, 21 minus 10 become 11. That is minus 11 upon 24. This one is our answer. Same type, firstly we have to take the LCM of the denominator, then solve according to this, then plus minus sign check and solve it. Now see the second one. Minus 4 by 9 from minus 7 by 18. Then firstly, which number will come? Minus 7 by 18. Then minus, this one we write down firstly in bracket, minus 4 by 9. Minus minus plus 4 by 9. Now take LCM. 9 and 18, LCM obviously 18. Then it become minus 7 plus 9 to the 18, then 4 to the. If you know, then you can write down directly also. There is no need to show again and again this thing. Then it become 1 by 18 answer. Similarly, we will solve the next one. 11 divided by minus 15 from minus 13 by 20. In this question, see now, here denominator is negative. So firstly we will make it positive. And you know how to make it positive? Multiply by minus 1, then it becomes minus 11 minus minus plus 15. Now we will solve it. Our result is minus 13 by 20. From this one, firstly we'll take this minus, the next number is minus 11 upon 15. Minus 13 divided by 20, minus minus plus 11 by 15. What is the LCM of this? Take LCM. 3, 2 tens are 20, 2 5s are 10, 3, 5, 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30, 2s are 60, 20 with 3s are 30, so minus 33 into 3 plus 11 into 4. This become minus 39 plus 44 divided by 60. 39 or 44 plus minus minus, but see positive number is greater, so plus 44 minus 39 come 5, 5 by 60. We can change into the standard form. Now change 5 ones are 5, 5 12s are 60. Then your answer is 1 by 12. Now see next type of question in this. Suppose we write down what should be subtracted from 7 by 12 to get 3 by 4. What should be subtracted from 7 by 12 to get 3 by 4? Firstly, I prefer the method according to statement. There is also 3 number, given number 7 by 12, result 3 by 4, required number we have to find out. Let's take x. Now see according to statement, what should be subtracted from 7 by 12? It means जो नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा वो 7 by 12 में से होगा. तो it means firstly we write down 7 by 12 then minus x is equal to 3 by 4. If you understand, see properly, what should be subtracted from 7 by 12? It means 7 by 12 में से ऐसा क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाए कि रिजल्ट हमें 3 by 4 मिल जाए. तो how to write down this one in statement? Firstly we write down 7 by 12 and minus x is equal to 3 by 4. That is equal to, how to find out the value of x? Firstly we know that this variable only here x. Same type of terms 7 by 12 and 3 by 4. So we take it 7 by 12 and 3 by 4 here. Here 3 by 4 is positive. When we take this side, then it will become negative. And this is minus x. Then when you change this side, then this will become plus x. Because we want to find out the value of this variable. Now see, take LCM. 7 minus 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9 is equal to x. Minus 2 by 12 is equal to x. Answer is x is equal to minus 1 by 6. Then your answer is, what should be subtracted from 7 by 12? That is minus 1 by 6. Then you got the result 3 by 4. Verify it. Verification. That 7 by 12 minus 1 by 6. LCM, firstly solve it. 7 by 12 minus plus 1 by 6. LCM 12, 7, 6 2s are 12, 9 by 12. Cut it. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. That is answer is 3 by 4. Result is 3 by 4. It means our assumption is right. That required number is minus 1 by 6. This is a process according to statement. Or if you want to take the direct result, then see, here now become that required number is equal to given number minus result. In this case, our formula become required number is equal to given number minus result. We can take another example to solve it directly by the formula. what should be subtracted from 5 by 6 to get minus 2 by 3? Now see, what is the given number? Given number is equal to 5 by 6. Result is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now what is the formula of required number in process of subtraction? That is given number minus result. Given number 5 by 6 minus result is minus 2 by 3. 5 by 6 minus minus plus 2 by 3. Take LCM. 5 plus 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, that is 9 by 6, that is 3 by 2. This is our answer. So if you want to use the direct method, then this one, in the subtraction process, required number is equal to given number minus result, or in the addition process, required number is equal to result minus given number. This type we will solve the subtraction procedure. Now see the next topic. Suppose any number is given to you, that is 105 upon 9. This is a rational number. Obviously it is in P by Q form and Q does not equals to 0, then it is a rational number. What is our question here? That convert it into sum of two rational numbers. This rational number, convert it into sum of two rational numbers. Then firstly change into the mixed form. How to change it? 9 ones are 9, 15, 9 ones are 9, remaining 6, divide by 9. It means this number we can write down firstly in the form of 11, 6 by 9. Now change into the sum of two rational number, we can write down 11 plus 6 upon 9. So got the same result, that is 105 upon 9. This is sum of two rational numbers. This is not a correct form because we can cut it also. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. Here also we can cut by 3. We take another example. (33 by 8). We want to change into sum of two rational number. Sum of an integer and a rational number. In this we want one number should be integer and second number should be a rational number. Integer also rational number, no problem, but here we want to change this given rational number into the sum of integer plus rational number. Now see how to change it. In 33 by 8, 8 4s are 32, 4 1 by 8, 4 plus 1 upon 8. 4 is positive integer here, 1 by 8 is rational number. So we are expressing given rational number into the sum of an integer and a rational number. Suppose we take another example, that is 107 upon minus 11. In this type of, firstly we make denominator positive, minus 107 upon 11. Now change into the mixed form. Minus 11 9s are 99, then remaining 8 divide by 11. Is it right? 11 9s are 99, 99 or 100 or 107. Okay, 8 minus 9, 8 by 11. To change into the sum of integer and rational number. integer is minus 9 and rational number is minus 8 by 11. We need the sum. We want to put here. See, with this thing we also can write down minus 9 minus 8 by 11. But our answer question is we want to change into the form of sum of integer and rational number. We want to need plus sign here. So what we do? Here we do plus sign and this minus sign we take in bracket. It means we take negative sign with this numerator. Then our answer is minus 9 plus minus of 8 upon 11. So this type of question we will solve like this. See another question. What should be added to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 to get 4? How to solve this question? Same procedure. Given number 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. It means we can solve it firstly. What is the LCM of it? 2, 3, 4. LCM is 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 4 are 12. 4 3 are 12. 6 plus 4 10 plus 3 13 by 12. It means given number is 13 by 12. Result is 4. Required number, if you use the formula, then required number result minus given number. In addition process, result minus given number, that is 4 minus 13 upon 12. Here is nothing, it means 4 by 1. 1 or 12 LCM, obviously 12. 1/12, it means we have to multiply by 12 into 4 minus 13. 48 minus 13 upon this 35 by 12. You want to change into the mixed form, then you can do. Otherwise this one is our answer. So this type we will solve our questions. Any other question? See one statement problem. A water pipe has the inner diameter of 3 by 4 centimeter and a wall thickness of 5 by 7 centimeter. What is the radius of outer radius of the pipe? What is the outer radius of the pipe? What is question तुम्हें there is one figure also given. Inner diameter, it is given to you 3 by 4 centimeter. Wall thickness, it means this one is given to you 5 by 7 centimeter. It is asking what is the outer radius. It means this one thing asking. See, firstly tell me what is the relation between diameter and radius. We know that radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, that is the inner radius, because inner diameter is given to you. Then inner radius is equal to diameter how much? Diameter is 3 by 4. Firstly change into the rational number. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 or 3 15. 15 by 4 into 1 by 2, that is 15 by 8 centimeter. This is our inner radius. It means value of this thing small r is equal to 15 by 8. This one thickness is given to you 5 by 7. Then what is the outer radius? Outer radius is equal to inner radius plus wall thickness. Inner radius 15 by 8 plus 5 by 7 wall thickness. LCM 56. 8 7s are 56. 15 multiply by 7. 5 multiply by 15 7s are 105. 5 8s are 40. Then your answer will be 145 divided by 56. It is not possible to cut it, so change into the mixed form. Do mixed form, that is 145 56. 56 to the 112. 5 minus 2 3, 4 minus 1 3. That is 56 to 33 by 56. So this is our answer. This type we solve statement problems. Okay student, now your 4.2 exercise complete. So you have to do work in your fair notebook. 4.1 and 4.2 exercise complete. If you have any problem, then you can leave the query on the app or you can do the WhatsApp. Okay student, but do your work on time. Yes, don't forget that, don't think about this that we will do this work later. We can check your work anytime or we can ask anytime from your for your work. So please do on time. Okay, 4.1 and 4.2 exercise complete. Thank you students.